Hey YouTube, so this is my first video. I don't have that much skills doing videos, so hopefully little by little I'm gonna get better at it. I wanted to show off the Taco, the wheel setup that I got because I wasn't able to find anything online with this size, so I want to share it with you guys. So I went ahead and I got me these G-FX, I believe they're TR19s, 16 by 8.5, 0 offset, and I went with the Falcon's Wildpeaks 265/70 R16. Obviously, didn't want to go any bigger because I do have the 4-cylinder, and I didn't want to add that much weight to it on the tires and lose major MPGs. So this is a look of the truck with those wheels and tires. Does stick out a little bit, almost perfect. I do have the very basic Tacoma. The only thing that I have is that it's a 4x4 4-cylinder. So I don't even have the fenders on it, so it barely sticks out a little bit there. Show you guys stock. I have no type of lift whatsoever. I'm telling you, it's a basic Tacoma, but I did add the fog lights and the grill. I got it secondhand for like 60 bucks. Got those fog lights probably for about 80 bucks. Installed them myself. I went 5% on the tints, 50% in the front. Yep, not legal, but cops don't really mess that much with trucks. I installed the Predator steps over there. I went with the Paragon tonneau cover. Just like the fact that I can lock it. It is solid. It's not perfect, but nothing is perfect. So I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. I'm gonna do much more to it. Mainly I wanted to show the wheels. So like I said, 16s by 8.5, 0 offset. This is what they look like. I think they're actually very nice. I haven't seen many trucks with these wheels, so weight wise compared to what I had, they came with these, with the Steelies, very stock. These came with a 245/75. Now weight wise, these were at 62.5 pounds per tire. Those just went up to 67.5. So I just added 5 pounds extra. So hopefully that doesn't affect my MPGs that much. So once again, let me know what you guys think. Really don't care if it's negative. If it's positive, I appreciate it. So like I said, stock suspension, no lift, nothing, not leveled, nothing. This came like this from factory, and I didn't want to spend. I'm past the age that I wasted so much money on trucks, trying to lift them and get them better, higher, taller, bigger tires. No, man, I'm past that stage, So I just wanted to make it look a little bit nicer. Obviously from the very stock truck that I got. I think it has changed quite a lot. I think I'm done with it. Though I'm talking about not spending that much money, it does add up, let me know what you guys think. I hope this helps anyone. Obviously it doesn't rub at all. It is a perfect fit. And let me show you here from the front. Sticks out just a little bit. So I think it came out beautiful. I mean, shit, I love it. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you very much.